Well, hey there. I haven't done a video in real life in quite a long time. If you are perceptive, you will know what this is. And of course, if you can read the title, you will as well. So, I have a Tavor. Cool gun. SAR, 16-inch. Or it might be 18-inch, I don't know. Doesn't really matter. But I need to get this guy clean. And every YouTuber that I've seen does not show the proper way to get this little guy out. And they say, hey, just pull this thing back. This guy right here. They say, pull it back. And I do that, and it doesn't work. So, little quick tip and trick. Don't know if I'll be able to do this one-handed, probably not. But what you want to do is you want to take this guy, take this little rod down here, and I don't know how I'm going to do this, so get a nice view of, what's that? Oh, it's my desk and my laptop. Okay. So what you want to do, you want to take this guy, pull this part till you hear that click, and this part protrudes. I don't know why they decided to not mention that, but once you do that, let me get down here. Take your bolt, turn around first of all, and you push it all the way in. You get yourself a little punch or a bullet. I know people are like, "Oh no, there's a bullet near your gun." Well, it's not gonna. This thing is not gonna make my gun fire. It's in pieces. So calm yourselves. And you just push that. Little guy comes out. And that's all you gotta do.